Hey everyone, so I'm super excited for today's video because I partnered with Fabfitfun for their summer 2025 box and I can't wait to share with you guys everything that I got. Here's the beautiful box. As you guys can see, it's their 50th box, which is very exciting. So I'm very excited to get into the nitty-gritty of everything that I picked out for my summer 2025 box. But if you don't know what Fabfitfun is, it's a lifestyle subscription where you get 6 products per season from top brands across beauty, fashion, home, wellness, skincare, and more. And I love that I get to choose the exact products that I want in each box to make it fit my lifestyle. And also, before getting into it, I have a very special offer to share with you. If you use my code amandamonroee, you can get a free gift valued over $200 with a new annual membership. But if you want to sign up as a seasonal member, I also have a 20% off code for your first box, which is amandamonroee. And each season's box has a value of up to $350. And when you use my code, your first box is only $55.99, which is really great. Okay, now let's get into everything that I chose for my summer 2025 box. Here's everything a little bit more up close. So for my first product, it was so hard to choose. There were so many things I wanted to try, but as soon as I saw the Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum, I was so excited to try because I love Glow Recipe's products. It's one of my favorite skincare brands, and this is actually one that I had not had a chance to try yet. And this bottle is so cute, and I just love having a retinol in my skincare routine, and I cannot wait to try this one. And the retail value for this product was $48. So for the second choice, this one was a lot easier to choose because I was actually needing a new cleansing balm because I'm almost out of the one I'm currently using. And I saw that Glow Recipes Papaya Cleansing Balm was on there. I've never tried Glow Recipes Cleansing Balm, and it's always been on my list. I've always wanted to try it. So I was so excited and immediately chose this for my second product. But there are also really, really good ones like First Aid Beauty products, NARS lip products, and some other really great homeware as well. So this is what the Papaya Cleansing Balm looks like up close. This color and packaging is seriously so beautiful, and I cannot wait to try this because I'm seriously about to be out of my current cleansing balm I'm using, and this one I'm so excited to try. Probably the thing I'm most looking forward to trying in this box. And this one, for 100 milliliters, the retail value is $32. For my second product, I was really torn between two. I was torn between the Kapari Beauty Cleansing Balm or this Homesick candle, and I ultimately went with this Homesick candle because I love Homesick brand. I used to have a candle of theirs a while ago, and it is one of my favorites, and I know it's on the pricier side. Like, for example, this retails for $35, and now that it's getting to spring and summer, I thought this scent would be perfect, and it's Lemongrass Breeze. And the packaging in general, like, it's so luxurious. It's glass, and I know on my coffee table it's gonna look so good, and I can't wait to burn this and just get me into that spring and summer vibe. So I definitely love this. Cannot wait to burn that. For my fourth pick, I went with this Basque SPF 30 lotion, and I've never actually tried this brand, but one thing I will always prioritize is SPF. I wear SPF every single day. There's never a day I go outside and don't have my SPF on. And this is a brand I hadn't tried, but I thought the packaging was so cute. And personally can never have enough SPF, especially I live in Arizona and the sun is out constantly. So I was very excited to try this. It's a sheer moisturizing sunscreen. I just have very generic like SPF for my body, so I wanted to try this, and that way I was better at not just only putting it on my face, but also all over my body. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that. And by the way, this one also retail values for $22. For my choice number 5, I wanted to try this exfoliating body scrub. I don't have any like body sponge like this that's specific for exfoliating. I use like body scrubs and things like that, but never a body exfoliant sponge. So I really want to try this, and I know my sister always exfoliates, and I was like, you know, I need to get on the train with more than just a scrub, something a little bit more gentler. So I thought this would be really good to try. Pronounce it Bethorium. This product retails for $21. For my sixth product, I was definitely torn between the product I chose and a few other hair products, but I ended up getting the First Aid Beauty, the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I have heard so many great things about this product and I've really been wanting to try it because I do tend to get like little bumps on my arms or my legs, and I thought this would be a really great product for me to use, especially since summer is approaching and we're gonna start wearing a little bit less clothes like shorts and tank tops. I wanted to make sure I'm prioritizing my skin and getting it as smooth as possible for summer. So I thought this would be really great, and the scent is fresh strawberry. And it's just another great exfoliant. So that's what that looks like up close. This retails for $30. And another thing I want you guys to know about Fabfitfun has flash sales. So as a Fabfitfun member, you get access to amazing flash sales with top brands like Glow Recipe or First Aid Beauty, for example, for up to 70% off. And the average member saves $500 in their first season. So if you also are very interested in trying out new products for skincare, beauty, wellness, home, and many more, I highly recommend one of the either an annual membership or a seasonal membership, and be sure to use one of my codes for either one. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I had in my summer 2025 Fabfitfun box, and thank you Fabfitfun for partnering with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.